They said it was lost to time, buried under 6 inches of sediment, in a dried-out creek bed for 75 years. Today, we finally bring it home.
75 years buried in freezing mud, completely ruined. Today, we break it down, strip the rust, and bring this legendary timepiece back to life.
Step 1. Analyze the destruction. Microscanning reveals a compressed crust exactly 2.4 millimeters thick, completely fusing the original mechanism.
This isn't just one piece. It's a symphony of 137 individual parts, all fused by a century of corrosion.
Now, the isolation. We strip the movement down to the core, separating every gear, bridge, jewel, and spring. Each component must be treated as a unique patient. Step 4. The reassembly. We lock every individual gear back into its perfect position and apply precision oil to every microscopic ruby jewel. Stop. We have a problem. Oxidation on the main bridge triggered this reaction. Components expanded by 0.05 millimeters. The entire movement is locked. We need a hyper-solvent. This EDTA solution is the only way. No etching on the brass, and we're back in business.
From a forgotten piece of mud, back to a flawless, ticking masterpiece, restored.